Hey everyone, welcome back to Meditex. Today we are taking a closer look at something I've been really excited to test. KZ Duet. These are dual dynamic driver earphones designed for both gaming and music. And the brand sent me both colors, black and white, so I could test everything properly. This video is not sponsored, they only provided the product. So as always, I'll give you my honest experience. Inside the box, you get a clean minimal setup, the earbud themselves, the anti-slip ear covers, extra ear tips for a better fit, and the warranty card. The packaging is simple, but everything inside feels well made, especially the cable. It's silver plated and looks much nicer than what you normally see in this price range. The design caught my attention right away. The obsidian black version has this translucent dark resin with a metal handle, very tech looking. The porcelain white has a glossy, minimalist finish. It actually looks more premium in person than in the photos. What I really like is the comfort. This is a semi-in-ear design, so if normal in-ear earbuds hurt after a while, this won't. They sit lightly in ear, no pressure, and even after long listening sessions, my ear didn't feel tired. For gaming or for editing videos, very comfortable. Now let's talk about the sound, because this is where the KZ Duet surprised me the most. Inside each earbud, you get two dynamic drivers. A 10mm super stroke bass driver, and 8mm high performance driver for mids and highs. In real use, this setup gives you two big advantages. Bass has real depth without distortion. It reaches down to 20Hz and you feel it especially in EDM, hip-hop or action games. Vocals and instruments stay clean even when the bass hits hard. The mids don't get muddy. For music, the layering is noticeably better than single driver earbuds in this price range. Gaming was the most impressive part for me. KZ tuned these earbuds using hundreds of games, and it really shows. Footsteps, reloads, and positional sounds are very easy to pick up. In FPS games especially, sound localization is accurate. Left, right, front, behind, all clear. If you play fast games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, or Valorant on PC, these give you much better positional precision than typical budget gaming earbuds. The microphone was better than I expected for wired headphones. KZ upgraded from a small 4mm mic to dual 6mm condenser microphones. The result: clearer voice, better noise reduction, less need to hold the mic close to your mouth. For Discord calls, game chat, or even normal phone calls, the clarity is surprisingly good. Inside the box, you also get two types of ear covers. Anti-slip covers, perfect for workouts or running. Noise isolation in ear tips improve bass and seal. If you want a stronger bass and better isolation, use the second pair. If you want comfort and breathability, use a semi-in-ear setup. In daily use, I found the KZ Duet great for gaming, music, video editing, watching movies, Zoom calls, gym workouts. They are lightweight, they don't fall out easily, and they deliver very strong performance for the price. Let's talk value. For around 40 to 45 euros, you are getting dual drivers, a DSP sound card, very good microphone quality, a strong bass and real positional audio. In this price range, it's hard to find anything that gives a combination of hi-fi performance plus gaming accuracy. If you are deciding between black and white, black looks more like a pro gaming accessory, white looks premium and minimalist. Both feel identical, so choose the one that matches your style. KZ gave me a discount code for you guys. You can use it on their official website or on Amazon. Links are in the description below. So should you buy the KZ Duet? If you want wired earbuds with great bass, clear vocals and excellent positional audio for gaming, yes, these are 100% worth it. They are comfortable, lightweight, and work great for both gaming and music. Let me know in the comments which color you like more, black or white, and if you want me to compare this with other KZ models. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.